Hello viewers, welcome back to another video from Start with Sagar. In this video, I am going to show how you can create a professional YouTube channel. Okay, let me get started. At first, you will have to take a browser, and from here, you will have to create a Google account. So I hope you will have a Google account and you want to create a professional YouTube channel. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now write youtube.com and press the enter button of your keyboard. Okay, when you will write youtube.com in the address bar, you can see such an interface, and here you can see you didn't sign in your YouTube channel. Okay, at first you will have to sign in by clicking here, or you can click here. Okay, from here you can use your Google account, and if you don't use or if you don't have any Google account, you can create. I'm going to use this email. Okay, now I'll have to set the password. And if you want to show your password, just make a tick here, but I don't want to show my password. Okay, next. Okay, I am into my YouTube channel, or I am into my youtube.com. Okay, now I'll create a professional YouTube channel. At first I'll have to click on it. Actually, this is the symbol of my name. Just click on here, and from here you will have to click YouTube Studio. When you will click on YouTube Studio, then you will get such an interface. From here you can name your YouTube channel name. You can write your YouTube channel name. Okay, I want to keep my name, just create channel. And if you want, you can upload your picture. Just upload a picture, and you will have to search your picture. Okay, I don't want to use here any picture. I will upload my picture later. Just create channel. And continue, close. Okay, my YouTube channel has been created. Already I have been taken to the channel dashboard. Okay, now at first I'm gonna verify my channel. Just click on the profile logo, and from here you will have to click your channel, and now customize channel. Continue, and from here you will have to click setting, and now click on channel and go to feature eligibility. Already the step 1 is enabled. Now you will have to enable the second step. Click on it, and now click on verify phone number. Okay, here you will have to put the phone which you want to use here. You need not use here the country code, because here the country is automatically set here. Just put here the mobile number 01751. Get the code. Okay, 6-digit verification code has been sent to my mobile. I'll have to open my mobile. Okay, I already got the code 534120. Submit. Okay, the channel is now verified. Okay, let me go back. Yes, the second step has been enabled. Just close, and you can reload the page. Okay, now you will have to go to the branding. From here you will have to upload your logo, channel logo. Okay, I'm going to upload my channel logo. Actually, I didn't create any logo, but for temporary I am use this logo. Done. Now you will have to upload, or you can upload here your channel art. And if you don't have any channel art, you will have to create channel art by going to any other site, or you can use Photoshop, Illustrator to create your YouTube channel. Okay, but I want to upload. Okay, it is not usable here because the channel art size must be 1024 into 576 pixel. Okay, cancel. Okay, if you want to use your channel art, you can go to Canva, because you can use Canva for free. Okay, let me go to canva.com. Okay, I wanna continue as debunker. Okay, I am in to my Canva. I want to use personal. Maybe later. From here, click on a logo, but I don't want to use this logo. Next, and got it. And from here, just I want to go to create a new design. And from here, I will have to search YouTube channel. YouTube channel art. Click on channel art. And from here, you can check a channel art. Okay, I'm going to open this channel art and I'm going to download it. Okay. If you want to download it, you will have to pay the canva.com, but I want to download it as free. Okay, I will have to check another channel art. Oh, download. I'll have to wait a few moments. It's going to download it. Okay, it's downloaded. Okay, now go to my channel and click on upload. Go to download. Okay, the channel art is going to be set here, and from here, viewable on desktop. If you use any desktop, you can see just this part of your channel art, and viewable on all device. You can see your channel art in all device, just such a way, in such a way. Okay, I'm going to make done. Okay, the channel art has been set, and the next option, you can upload a logo or anything else which will work as a video watermark. From here, the audience can subscribe your channel and you will get more and more subscriber by using the watermark. And this watermark logo size will be 115 to 150 pixel. You will get everywhere the measurement of your logo of your channel art. You can see here. Okay, now publish. Okay, it's going to be published. Okay, done. You can see the logo has been set here, the channel art has been set here. but I didn't upload any watermark, video watermark. Okay, now go to basic info. From here you can change your YouTube channel name, but I don't want to change my channel name. Description, you will have to set a description which will be better to understand for the viewers. Okay, I'm going to write I am Sagar Haldar, okay, who is a professional YouTuber. Okay, actually I don't want to write anything else in the description. You will have to, or I hope you will write the description very professionally. And from this option you can add language, and here you can see our channel URL, and here you can add link. Okay, I'm going to add a link. Here you can add any link, your Facebook link, your Twitter link, your Instagram link, your LinkedIn link. Okay, I'm going to use Facebook link here. Okay, this is my Facebook link. You can set here at least, or you can set here maximum 5 links, because you can here you can see link 1 2 3 4 5, and here contact info. You can use a different email or the same email, but I think here it will be better if you use a different email. Okay, I'm going to use a different email. Okay, I used here a different email. Now publish. It is going to be published. Okay, now go to my channel. You can see the channel art has been set here, the logo has been set here, and the link which I added here, Facebook link, you can see here. Okay, now it looks a little bit professional. Okay, go to again customize channel, and from here click on setting. Here general, you can see the currency is US dollar, and go to channel. From here you will have to select the residence. I'm going to select Bangladesh. Keyword, this is very important part, because if anyone searches your channel name, he will get easily your channel, and if you don't use any keyword here, no one can get your channel. Okay, let me set a keyword. Okay, I'm going to set at first, the first keyword is Dipankar Sagar. Okay, for the comma, if you want to use another keyword, just you will have to give a comma. Okay, now you will have to you can set here another keyword. Actually the keyword depends which kind of video, which kind of channel you want to create. Okay, actually I don't want to use any other keyword. Just save. Okay, go to another setting and channel, and from here go to advanced setting. Okay, you can see, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Actually here the YouTube channel or the YouTube just asking us how you can use your channel. Do you want to use your channel for the kid or not for the kid? Okay, and actually I don't want to I don't want to use my channel for the kid. Okay, make a tick here and save. Okay, again click on setting, go to channel and go to advanced setting, and from here you can see so many options, but I want to I want to keep everything unchanged. And here you can untick or tick here. If you want to show the subscriber numbers to the audiences, to the spectators, just make a tick here. And if you don't want to show your subscribers numbers, just here remove the tick mark, and the other setting will be unchanged. Okay, go to feasibility, and from here we already verified our mobile number. I don't want to use anything else. Okay, everything is okay. Now save. Okay, let me visit everywhere. Branding, okay, branding is okay. Basic info is okay. Layout, okay, I don't want to use anything layout. Actually, the layout, the first step, you can add a short video. Actually, which video you want to show to the audiences. When someone will open your channel, they can see, or they can see your first video, which will be automatically opened. And in the second options, when the subscriber who already subscribed your channel, when he entered your channel, he can show actually which part you want to show to them. And from here at section, from here you can set popular uploads, live now, first live streams, or anything else. But I don't want to use any of this. Okay, now view channel. Okay, now you can upload a video. Just you will have to click here, upload video, and select file. Okay, actually I don't have any video which I can use right now. This is why I'll have to go to back. Okay, dear viewers, this is how you can create a professional YouTube channel and you can earn money. You can create your career. Okay, if you really enjoy my video and if you learn something, if you now able to create a professional channel, just you are requested to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from Start with Sagar. Okay, have a nice moment. Thank you.